Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change YouTube end screen after upload. Before I get to the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell notification button so you can get notified. Okay, now let's jump into tutorial. Open any your preferred browser. Okay, then go to YouTube. Okay, so now you will see your YouTube logos on the top right corners. Press this and then go to the new selection called YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Studio. And there's a selection called videos. You press this videos. Okay, so now okay, let me select a video for you. Make two examples. Okay, how to make a public Discord server. Okay, details. Okay, after you get into this page, you scroll down and then you'll see a selection called end screen at here. Okay, you press end screen. Okay, so now you can change your end screen at here. You just press this. Okay, and then replace the video from here. Press this. Okay, choose a specific videos. Any video you want to replace. Okay, choose from here. Okay, you can select any. Okay, select your new video from here. Okay, after you finish, you just press and then okay, just remember to save. Okay, for me, I'm not plan to change, so I just discuss changes. Okay. Okay, so here, and this is until here. If you want to add your the ones cuts like a pop up on the video, right? Some on the top right of the corner, you can change it from here. Okay, thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe and share my video. See you next video.